Hey there! Today we're unboxing the HITOSINO 8-megapixel Smart Hybrid Light Camera. With 4K clarity and Smart Hybrid Light technology, it's built for reliable 24/7 surveillance day or night. Let's check it out. Inside the box, you'll find the camera itself, a waterproof lid, a pack of screws, an installation tool, a drill template, and a quick start guide for easy setup. Now, let's take a closer look at the camera. With a 1/2 2.7-inch advanced sensor, you'll get 8-megapixel Ultra HD clarity and a wide 134-degree field of view. With both IR and white lights, it offers smart IR and white modes. In smart mode, lighting switches automatically when triggered by AI motion detection. And in all lighting modes, the turret camera offers a consistent range of up to 30 meters. It also features a built-in microphone, letting you capture on-site audio along with video. Great for extra context during playback. Now let's move to the QR code. It lets you easily add your device to HIK Connect for seamless remote access and control. Here's the PoE port. With a single Ethernet cable, power is delivered to the camera, video and audio are transmitted, and a stable network connection is established, all in one simple setup. What's more, here's a setting room, housing the SD card slot for local storage and the reset button for quick troubleshooting. In addition, the turret camera head allows flexible adjustment. Simply loosen the screws to pan, tilt, or rotate the camera to your desired angle. Once the angle is set, tighten the screws to securely lock the camera in place. As you can see, the camera stands 96.3 millimeters tall and 127.3 millimeters in diameter, offering a compact and sleek design for versatile installations. What performance can we get? The core feature of this camera is Smart Hybrid Light. Now let's see how it works. When no vehicle or person is detected, the IR light stays on, giving you black and white footage. When a human is detected, the IR light switches to white for vivid color imaging. At the same time, you'll receive a phone alert via HIK Connect, so you can check what's happening in real time. About a minute after the person disappears, the white light switches back to IR mode. Now that you've seen how the camera works, let's walk through the simple setup process. First, make sure Smart is selected in Supplement Light mode, which is the default for HITOSINO Value series. Second, enable motion detection, customize the monitoring area, and check the boxes for human and vehicle to reduce false alarms. If you don't want 24/7 recording, make sure to customize the arming schedule to fit your needs. Here's the important step for event recording. Check the box for recording to make sure all events are captured in real time, then click Save. Then, go to Video Audio to enable one-way audio. Make sure Video and Audio Stream is selected for both mainstream and substream, and click Save. Finally, set the audio input to MISIN. With just a few simple steps, your AI Smart Hybrid Light camera is ready to go. Now that you've seen it in action, why not let it keep watch over your property, day and night, rain or shine? Thank you for watching.